Need to send your Penpot designs to a teammate, client, or developer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share designs in Penpot in 2026. We'll cover how to invite collaborators, manage permissions, and share your work so everyone can review or edit it with ease. First, sign in to your Penpot account and open the project that contains the design you want to share. From your dashboard, select the appropriate project and open the design file. Once your design is open, look for the Share button near the top of the workspace. Click it to open the sharing panel, where you'll find options for inviting people and managing access. Enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. Depending on your workspace settings, you can choose whether they can edit the design or simply view it. After selecting the appropriate permission, send the invitation. If Penpot provides a shareable project link, you can copy it and send it through email, chat, or your preferred communication platform. So before sharing the link, double-check the access settings to make sure the correct people can open the project. After sharing your design, review the permissions for each collaborator. If needed, you can update someone's access level or remove access entirely. Keeping permissions organized helps protect your work and makes collaboration much easier. Once everyone has access, your team can review the design, leave feedback, and continue working together. As changes are made, you can always revisit the project to monitor updates and keep everything organized. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to share designs in Penpot in 2026. Whether you're working with teammates, clients, or developers, these sharing tools make collaboration simple and efficient. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.